Everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. I'll tell you how to make spicy green bloom mocktail. Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you one spicy mocktail with the greenish flavor. You can try this mocktail, very fancy mocktail and nice. You can try this mocktail. The mocktail name is uh, spicy green bloom mocktail. First of all, take a hurricane glass and you have to add 10 to 15 ml of lemon juice or lime juice. After that, you have to pour 2 to dash means 2 to 3 drop of that green red chili sauce. Okay, after that you have to pour 15 ml of kiwi crush. This is very fancy mocktail, you can try. Then you have to pour 15 ml of green apple crush. Then you have to pour, see, as the glass is tall, that's why I am adding little bit of more syrup and crush. Then you have to pour 10 ml of pan syrup. Okay, kiwi crush, apple crush and pan crush and that green chili you have to pour. After that you have to pour some ice cube into the tall glass. Then you have to take limca and just add 180 ml of limca. Then you have to pour little bit of soda, like 90 ml of soda you have to pour. This is the stirring method mocktail, you can try. Then you have to stir all the ingredients with the help of bar spoon. Stir it. See how the greenish color came for this mocktail. Okay, then simply you have to fill the glass with lemonade or Sprite so that your mocktail will be prepared. So you have to pour Sprite. See how the fancy color came for this mocktail. Okay, see, your mocktail is ready. Then you have to garnish the mocktail with, if you are having green chili, you can garnish with green chili or lime slices also, and mint spring. You can garnish with anything. If you are garnishing with green chili, it will look good. Okay, just see, your mocktail is ready. Very fancy mocktail, you can try. I hope you like this mocktail, and please prepare this mocktail and just taste the mocktail. And okay, I hope you like this mocktail. Please try this mocktail. This is totally different mocktail. You can try. So in my channel you can see like different type of mocktail. If you like mocktail, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching my video.